He promised to fight to clear his name. Today, Bernard Kerik gave up and copped a plea deal. The former New York police commissioner could spend the next 3 years in prison for lying to the White House and to the IRS. CBS 2's Tony Aiello was in court as Kerik pleaded guilty.
Kerik stood before Judge Stephen Robinson and pleaded guilty to 8 felony crimes. Shame and humiliation, 8 years after standing with Rudy Giuliani on 9/11, and 5 years after standing with President Bush at the White House.
It's just the most dramatic fall from the pinnacle of power. It's kind of breathtaking how quickly and how far this man fell.
Pace University law professor Ben Gershman, a former prosecutor, says it is a stunning fall 2 years after Kerik vowed to clear his name.
My life has been marked by challenge. This is a battle I'm going to fight.
Today, the fight ended when Kerik pleaded guilty to 8 counts, admitting he lied to the White House during a background check when he was nominated for Homeland Security Chief. He lied on a loan application, and he failed to tell the IRS about a $250,000 freebie, the renovation of his apartment in Riverdale. As part of the deal, charges involving fraud and conspiracy were dropped.
The charges are all related to dishonesty, personal profiteering, self-serving conduct while he is a government official. So, I mean, anybody could call that corruption of your office.
Kerik showed little emotion until the judge said when sentencing time comes, he'd consider the good things Kerik accomplished during his years of public service. That's when Kerik put his hand on his face to hold back his tears. The plea deal calls for Kerik to serve between 27 and 33 months in a minimum security federal prison. Kerik will be back in court next week, asking a judge to release him from jail to give him a few weeks of freedom before he is sentenced in February. In White Plains, Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
The feds say the work done on Kerik's apartment was done by a firm with suspected ties to the mob. The firm wanted Kerik's help getting a business license.